Hello guys, and in this video I will show you how to connect your AirPods Pro 2nd to your Android phone. Let's get started, but don't forget to follow to see more useful content. So as a first step, we need to turn on the Bluetooth on our phone. Now we need to take our earbuds, open the case and make sure that both of the earbuds are in the case. Now we need to find this button on the back of your case and hold it until this indicator starts blinking white. You can hear a little chime, and that means our earbuds are ready to pair. Now we need to find them on the list of available devices. If you don't see them, you can try renew the page. And here they are, AirPods Pro. We click on it, we click pair, and now your headphones are successfully connected to your phone. That was all for today, and thank you for watching.